Hi friends! Traveling to Taipei soon but on a tight budget. Don't worry, Taipei has a lot of places and things to do where you don't need to spend a lot of money. So first is the presidential building. Yes po, you can come here without paying anything. Just only your passport or your ID and then makikita mo na yung loob. So, let's go!
Friends, as of 2025, visit to the presidential building only takes place at the first floor exhibit areas at sa corridor lang. Visit to the main hall is to be announced to a later date. Please check the website for the announcement.
Ito yung president and the vice president. O, di ba? Nakita ko sila. We just got out of the presidential building, so you can come and visit every day from 9 to 11:30 in the morning. You don't need to pay anything, just bring your passport and then you can take pictures, you can take a video. So after this, you can go to Chiang Kai Memorial Hall, Di Bali. It's only a few minutes walk from here. So while on our way going to Chiang Kai Memorial Hall, you will gonna see this, what is this? A memorial plaza. And this is in memory of the victims of the White Terror.
White Terror or the Taiwan Martial Law Plaza. It is erected just in front of the presidential building. So, tatawid lang kayo at makikita nyo na.
On the way to Chiang Kai also you will gonna find the Department of Foreign Affairs building. We're here at the Chiang Kai Memorial Hall.
This two beautiful building in front is the concert hall on the left and the National Theater on the right. You can check the bookstore and the restaurant dun sa basement if you still have time.
It's one of the things that I recommend you to do when you come here sa Chiang Kai is don't go straight to the hall. Go straight to the pond there. You can see koi or you can see mga squirrels dun sa mga puno. Pwede kayong umupo dun. Just enjoy the view muna. So friends, upo muna tayo dito sa may pond. Sa gilid lang ng Chiang Kai. Just enjoy the view and just enjoy the nature. After feeding the fish, go straight to the building and go to the exhibition hall. Ayan, sa ilalim siya. Exhibition hall. So friend, there's no entrance fee to Chiang Kai Exhibition Hall. So, di ba? Tipid.
My travel tip, you can borrow a personal audio guide device for free sa loob ng CKS. Just present lang a valid ID. And for those who do not have an ID, will be required to pay a deposit of 1,000. But don't worry, ibabalik ang man mo once na ibinalik mo na rin yung audio guide.
So friends, if you're asking who is Chiang Kai-shek, he's the former president of Taiwan. Friends, there are 2 floors for the exhibition hall. So first one is right over there, and then the second one is at the second floor. You can take the stairs or you can take the elevator, and then after this you can go up to the 4th floor to see the statue of Chiang Kai-shek. So friends, after visiting or seeing the bronze statue, you can come down and watch the changing of guards dito sa may baba. Actually, before the changing of guards happens there at the statue, but starting last year, they changed it here at the ground. So there's a changing of guards every hour. So you can time your visit here sa Chiang Kai-shek para hindi kayo makapag-antay ng matagal.
Welcome to one of the most popular and crowded area in Taipei, Ximen Station. Lots of shops, restaurants, and theater can be found here. This is one of the most recommended place to stay when in Taipei kasi malapit na siya sa lahat.
Kanina pa ako gutom na gutom. So ngayon, hahanap naman tayo na makakainan natin. And one of the place na maire-recommend ko sa inyo is the Saizeriya. Kasi although it's they offer Italian food, the price is okay. Hindi siya pricey. So Saizeriya is located at the 2nd floor. If you see the Pop Mart building, a Pop Mart store, eto, dito lang siya. Friends, this is what I ordered. 3 pieces, which is 65. 3 paala Florentina for 110 and 1 focaccia bread for 25. For eating, eto naman, punta tayo dito sa Honglo. Or the red building just right across the Ximen station. The entrance is free. You can also have an audio tour for 99, but if you don't want to spend money, it's okay. You can go around and look what you can buy. Actually, yung loob nito is puro tindahan. So it's 2 floors. So, dalawang floor siya, friends, and mostly ang mga tinda, artisan products. So, you can, medyo pricey. For me, medyo pricey yung ano nila, yung mga tinda. So, if you're coming from the presidential building or Ximen station, there are two museums you can visit. So, the first one is the Land Bank, and then Land Bank National Museum. And then the other one is the National Taiwan Museum there. So the ticket is only 30 NT and it's for two museums na. But if you would like to go to another three museums, the ticket is around 150. So I just bought this 30 NT. So sa dalawang museum na to. And let's go to the Land Bank Museum first. So friends, the highlight of this museum ay walang iba kundi the dinosaur fossil. So I'm not sure if it's real or not, pero it's for you to find out. And then on this area, this is all about money naman. Kung dun sa pinaka main hall is about dinosaurs. In this area is about how yung evolution ng kanilang pera. I can see myself. So this is the original bank vault before. Oh, ang galing Ito yung itsura. Ganito yung itsura ng vault before. And then upstairs, okay, so this museum is showcasing yung old building nitong land bank. Guys, if you can smell it, grabe. Yung amoy niya, parang, matagal na talaga. This is the old vault of the bank. Pagaginiwal na lang nilang museum just to show everyone yung mga dating gamit. So ayan, katatapos lang natin dun sa Land Bank Museum. So right now, we're here at the National Taiwan Museum naman. So hindi na tayo magbabayad since nakabili na tayo ng ticket. Halika na. So diretso pasok na tayo. So the museum is open from 9:30 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon every day, but except on Monday. they have guided tours, but for the foreigners, siguro mahihirapan kayo because they don't speak English. They explain everything in Chinese. So this is on the first level. So this is about puppetry. And there's a lot of exhibition or gallery rooms. So like this one, oh, meron ding fossil. Go friends, diyan nagtatapos ang ating tour. So for those of you who have limited budget, naku, huwag kayong matakot kasi napakamura lang pumasyal dito sa Taipei. So katulad ng ginawa natin sa presidential building, free siya. Dito sa museum, only 30 NT. So dalawang museum na yon. And then sa Ximen, you can stroll around it and take a pictures doon sa red building. So nagpamahal lang talaga is yung kinain natin, which is 200. Kung i-compute mo, di ba, in a day 230 lang na gastos ko. So from 9 o'clock nag-start ako mag tour around sa Taipei, and now it's only 2:30. O di ba, napakatipid na sa money, ang tipid pa sa time. Before I go home, makikiisyoso muna ako doon sa may mga nagrarally. Today is May 1 and it's Labor Day. And just like in Manila, di ba, may mga nagrarally. So, titignan ko rin. So, for now, I would like to say goodbye to you and I hope to see you here in Taiwan. And comment kayo guys kung kailan ang visit nyo, and hope to see you here. So, thank you once again for coming with me today. This is your friend, Jaja Yang from Taiwan with Love. Bye!